The Mazda ICONIC SP is a concept car that aims to redefine the compact sports car for a new era. Unveiled at the Japan Mobility Show 2023, this vehicle is designed to resonate with customers who are passionate about cars and seek the pure joy of driving. One of the most intriguing aspects of the ICONIC SP is its unique two-rotor rotary EV system. This powertrain is compact, allowing for a high degree of layout flexibility and a low center of gravity, which in turn enhances driving performance. The batteries are charged by a recyclable energy source, and the rotary engine, used for power generation, runs on carbon-neutral fuel. This makes the car not just a thrill to drive, but also environmentally responsible. The car's vibrant red color, known as Viola Red, is another standout feature. It's not just a hue, but a concept color created to reflect Mazda's corporate philosophy of enriching life in motion. The color is designed to be vivid while also creating a sense of shade that accentuates the car's shape, making it a visual treat. Mazda's commitment to the joy of driving is evident not just in the car's performance attributes, but also in its aesthetic appeal. Mazda aims to deliver vehicles that remind people of the pure joy and indispensable nature of cars in their lives. The company is committed to shaping the future of mobility in partnership with like-minded entities and fans. This commitment is encapsulated in the ICONIC SP, which aims to offer not just the joy of driving, but also the joy of living, by creating moving experiences in customers' daily lives. In terms of design, the car aims for proportions with a low center of gravity to give the impression of excellent driving performance. The concept of mounting the lightweight and compact rotary engine in the center of the car has resulted in a low hood, further emphasizing its sporty nature. The car's dimensions and weight distribution are carefully calibrated to achieve a near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution, promising excellent driving performance. The two-rotor rotary EV system is highly scalable and can burn various fuels, including hydrogen. This makes it possible to generate electricity with carbon-neutral fuel. Moreover, when the battery is charged with electricity derived from renewable energy, the car can operate in a virtually carbon-neutral state. This is a significant step towards sustainable mobility without compromising on performance. The car's high output, combined with its low center of gravity and balanced weight distribution, promises excellent driving performance. Despite being a sports car, it has the capability to supply power in various scenarios, such as outdoor leisure activities or even during disasters. This adds a layer of practicality to the car, making it versatile and adaptable to different situations. The Mazda ICONIC SP is a compelling concept that combines exhilarating performance with environmental responsibility. Its unique powertrain, striking design, and versatile capabilities make it a car that could potentially reshape the compact sports car segment. It embodies Mazda's vision for the future, where cars are not just modes of transportation but also sources of joy and inspiration. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.